SOP tutorial, the all-in-one fence software built to make your business work smarter, not harder. In this video, we're going to walk you through how to build quotation templates. Let's get started. In Elite Technique, we build two types of quotation templates for materials and for labor cost. It is in the sales module where all the quotation templates live. Let's begin by clicking on the 9 dots located on the upper left part of the screen. Go into the sales module and click on Configuration. Then select Quotation Templates. You will find a template called Labor Cost in your system by default, and it's there for a very specific reason. When you use the drawing tool in Elite Technique and you click on the Estimate BOM button, the system calculates the materials and labor needed based on your drawing. Now here's where it gets important. Elite Technique separates materials and labor into different areas, specifically on the order lines page. This template plays a key role in making sure the labor side of your estimate is properly calculated and included in the final proposal. We highly recommend you not to delete this default labor cost template. Your instance also includes a material template already created for each of the 4 major fence groups: wood, ornamental, chain link, and vinyl. These templates are attached to some of the main product categories of the products that are also included in your system by default. If you wish to edit any of these templates, you may do so by clicking on the template you desire and then hitting Edit. If you want to create a template from scratch, just click on Create right under where it says Quotation Templates. Let's create a quotation template from scratch. First, we name the template. Then we choose whether we want to charge by the panel or the foot by checking on or not the little box next to charge by foot. The next 2 sections to complete are product and product variant. These are the 2 most important sections of the template. If completed correctly, when drawing a fence in a particular material style, for example, wood fence, the system will be drawn to that material style's template and therefore calculate materials and labor cost more accurately. In order for this to work, you need to have fence typed the product you're trying to create as a main product category, and also have selected Show to Polyline when creating the product in the system. We can even get more granular. By adding the product variant, we will have a much more specific template with more questions answered than just the general wood fence template would provide. These products and product variants have to match 100% what you previously created in your system and will become available for election as soon as you click on the empty space. We select the box next to Only Blank Posts when we don't need to distinguish a specific type of post, that is, line, end, corner. We will have a complete video on forced labor template due to it having too many components to describe here. We can also set how many days we want the quotation to expire after. After we have finished inputting all this header information, we then proceed to input all the parts and pieces for which we want to charge labor on in the Lines tab. Please bear in mind that the product in the first line must match 100% the product and product variant that we just added in the header information. This is what a finished materials quotation template for wood fence looks like. In part 2 of this tutorial, we will go over the full process on how labor templates work and how to utilize them appropriately in your Elite Technique system. Thank you very much.